What is going on, YouTube? My name is Tony Pollock with Real Life Trading, and I want to give you a quick market update here this week and continue to update you throughout this week as we prepare for the Fed rate announcement. Hopefully, help you in your trading, give you some direction, identify some key levels that maybe will help you enrich your life, make a little bit of money, and make trading a little bit easier for you is my goal. So let's dive into these charts. So SPY had a really nice pushing day today. We've got a lot of resistance ahead of this. So we need to be careful looking for both moves into this trade because I think they're going to get rejected. Really nice inside candle. So we've had two inside candles now on the SPY. The pressure is building. I think we'll continue to hang out for Tuesday. I don't expect any major moves for Tuesday. If we get a big gap, expect it to probably fade. I think these markets are going to hang out until Wednesday because that is the rate announcement. Going to be a really, really important event for the markets for the next little quarter here. So this is going to help set that tone of direction where we're going. So be patient and wait because I think your money is going to be made on Wednesday. Again, I'm not going to show you where I think these markets are going to go and all this other stuff. I mean, I'll give you my little opinion, but really what I want to do is help you choose key levels because key levels are how you're going to make your money in the markets. So the key level that I'm looking at right now on SPY is 396 and 408. Those are a few key levels that are up above us. When we get into 396, expect some traps possibly and some move lowers. The levels on the bottom side here that I'm looking at is 380. I expect the bulls to hold 380 with everything that they have. So if we roll down, which is what I think is probably going to happen, but you never know. If we roll down, expect 380 to be a place where bears take profits, bulls try to come in, expect some trapping. If you can get like a double bottom on an hourly chart that breaks out strong around this level, it's a really good spot for a bull day trade, some swing trades. That could lead to some short-term sentiment that will continue to help us chop around. If we go blowing through 380 on a retest, there's your confirmation. We are heading lower, my friends. If we break 380, the next real key levels is 375 to 365. Somewhere in that ballpark. So there is a long way to go down if we want to. If we start breaking 396, expect the same thing, right? A double top on an hourly, probably going to lead to some really good day trading setups and some swing trade bear setups because I think this is going to be a pretty trappy move. This sentiment a week or so ago is very weak. So the bears should be lining up at the door here to take care of business. I would expect to see that over the next few days. If they don't, then that would be stronger for the bulls. And there is a lot of resistance in the way here, but if we can break through this cleanly, expect 408 to be a retest area. Again, another key level to read some sentiment. If we blow through 408, 420, here we come. Look for a trap. Play the traps. If this thing breaks 408 and closes down a lot like this candle did right here, if we put in that type of candle up around above 408 and then back down closing below it, we should be getting some selling. There's another setup. So again, play your key levels. It's going to really help you to increase your win rate and make trading a little bit easier. Don't trade the garbage. Trade the key levels. And that's what's going to help you to become more consistent and more profitable as a trader and investor. Let's take a look at the Qs. The Qs is the same exact story. 313, 314 area is a really key level. And then I'm looking down here at about 285 for a key level. Everything else in between is going to be a lot of chop. Once we break out of that, we are going a lot higher on Qs if we can break above 315, 313. If we start breaking below 285, we're heading to 250. I mean, there's just really nothing in the way. 257, but really 250 is probably where we're on our way to. Look for that. I expect that. Again, I am pretty bearish on these markets right now, so I am leaning a little bit heavier to the bear side than I am the bulls, but you never know. So I just do what the charts tell me to do, and look for my setups, plan my trades, and accept the loss. That's all you can really do, my friends. So don't get caught up in trying not to lose because you're going to lose as a trader, right? So have a game plan of how you're going to lose is the biggest thing that I can give you for advice today. And again, I will continue to give you updates throughout this week here on YouTube of how these key levels play out, how I'm looking at playing them, what some potential setups might be. But here at Real Life Trading, we just want to enrich your life. So please come join us. Come hang out with us. We'd love to teach you how to trade, give you some more insights, some more confidence, and some skills and tools to be able to bring in some more money, change your life, and help you to live the dreams, help you to live your dreams, basically. Right? That's the whole point. We just want to enrich your life. So again, come join us at Real Life Trading. You can come trade live with us every single day if you'd like. We have tons of free coaching. And then if you'd like to join some mentoring groups, one-on-one coaching sessions, we have all of that available as well. You can reach out to support@reallifetrading.com if you have any questions. Go to reallifetrading.com as well, just the website. And if you want to go to online coaching, online courses, we have tons of great content for you to be able to help you on your journey to become a more consistent and profitable trader. Because again, there is no reason why every single person in the world shouldn't be clicking a button and making thousands of dollars. It's there for you. There is money everywhere. Get out there and do it. And our job here at Real Life Trading is to help you on that path so that you can learn in a real way without us sitting here and going through and guarantee that's not how we work. What we're going to do is we're going to show you real life trading. I'm going to show you how to lose, because guess what? You're going to lose in the stock market. It's going to happen. So again, I hope this video helps you out a little bit. I hope you haven't identified a little bit more on these key levels and looking for those levels and maybe a way how you could trade them. And I will be posting a few more videos this week to give you an update on how these levels are playing out, what I'm looking to do with them. But that's what I'm seeing in the markets right now. Again, leaning a little bit bearish. It's going to be fun to see what Wednesday comes along with this rate announcement. Tuesday, I don't expect a whole lot of movement. So sit back and wait till Wednesday. Pick your spots, plan your trades, follow the plan, and stop trading scared. Accept the loss, and my friends, eventually you will start making money. You will start getting ahead if you can just follow that formula. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out. I'll give you updates throughout this week.